up? Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, welcome. Thought I'd give you like a really mini tour of my room and my studio. Corner number one, where everything is, and I sit here like most hours of the day. Learning how to speak Minion right here. This is it. Come get a look. Here we are. Okay. Anyways, yeah, without further ado, I'm just gonna show you around a little bit. So yeah, this is the main corner of my room where I pretty much do everything. Oh, and that's Barbie. My mom got me this Barbie because she thought it looked like me. I don't know, with the guitar and with the headphones and the mic, you know, I mean, I get it. This is my Shure SM7B microphone. I actually got it because it's really popular in the beatboxing community. But, you know, more and more people are starting to use it nowadays. It's a really great microphone. And I have my Sony headphones. And this is my Ableton Push. I love using my Ableton software. This is something I'm working on, some a cappella song that I'm working on. And oh
my gosh, it's King Bob. Come on, bolo, lassie. Maladite.
I have some of my awards on the wall, and this sign is literally my favorite mantra, or one of my favorite mantras. So do what you love. I always say do what you love and love what you do. So this is Ableton. I love working in Ableton. I used to work in Logic Pro X, which is also a super great program. But Ableton, I tried it out one day at work, actually. I used to work at a place called Able Arts Work with adults and children with various disabilities, and we were using Ableton with our students to make beats, and it was super fun. And yeah, it was an awesome time. So I decided to check it out myself, and I've been in love with Ableton ever since. So I'll give you a closer look, oh my god, not of my face, of Ableton. Let's see if I can turn it around here. One of the things I love about Ableton is that you can color code your tracks, and it looks really pretty. Like, oh my god, fabulous! But it's just like, it makes it easier to like separate, you know, your tracks and understand where the sopranos are and the altos and bass and your drums and everything like that. I like to produce a lot of a cappella stuff and beatboxing, as you guys know, and I also use this program to record my voiceovers as well. Yeah, so down here is my Ableton Push. So let me see, actually, if I can go to live and go to preferences, and if I put it on built-in output, it should play a beat if I have it on there. Ooh, that is like really loud. Whoa! Whoa! Whoa. Can you guys hear it? So I'm making that beat just by like pressing my fingers to it. It's really cool. I also want to take you to the corner of my room, the very small corner of my room where I actually film my voiceovers and a lot of my beatboxing stuff. You'd think that I'd film it here, but the problem is that I really don't like having this as my background because this is like too chaotic. This is chaotic. My life is chaotic. Welcome to the very small section of my room where I film my voiceovers. I'm laughing because I got pretty creative here and where I put my Philip Hue light bars. Like, it's on my drum set. And there's another one over there. Oh, the Queen herself. I was lucky enough, fortunate enough, to go to her premiere of her Driving Home to You film, a sour film. It's on Disney Plus, and yeah, she's sitting here, you know, like looking like royalty herself. There's my calendar. Ah, tripping! My head is in the ring light. Let's go. So, oh yeah, here's my calendar, my little tiny calendar section of my room. You know what's funny? This that's my llama sign. It's very important. This is my calendar. Whoa. I was literally gonna show off my calendar, but the thing is that there's only one thing written on here, and it's Mom's birthday. Oh yeah, I have to write somebody back. Did I do that? I don't know. I think I did. I'm pretty sure I did. Yeah. So this doesn't look right at all. Like, what the heck? But, you know, I needed somewhere to put my shelves. in my small room. So that's where I put them. There's a llama. Anyways, continue. Okay. Ah! Oh! Oh my gosh. Paige, stop. Anyways, so I thought I was gonna miss my seat. Wow, that was like really nerve-wracking. But my seat, speaking of my seat, this is my box drum. Yes, this is what I sit on as I try to do a minion skit for hours. It's super comfy. So this is where I sit to do my voiceovers. I have, usually I use this tripod that I put my camera on. I'm using a Sony ZV-1 camera. It's such a great camera, phenomenal camera. And then I also have this tripod for my phone. So basically here, let me, oh, I keep tripping, oh, stumbling, go tripping, oh, stumbling. Oh, wow. Okay, so let me just show you real quick. Okay, so basically I sit here in that seat. My light bars are creatively placed, and yeah, I have my ring light shining down. So my phone is here, and my Sony ZV-1 camera is in here, and basically I am filming myself here with my ZV-1 for all my voiceovers and beatboxing, and I'm playing the movie on my phone using this tripod, and I have the volume on my phone turned all the way down, so I'm literally just like, you know, shooting in the dark here. There's a lot of bloopers. We're talking a lot here, people. There's a lot of bloopers. Oh yeah, so then my microphone also sits there too, so I'm recording on here through this microphone for my beatboxing and voiceover skits. Okay, literally I hit my head on this ring light at least like 10 times. Okay, the rest of my room is like a little messy, so I can't show you that. I love playing my drum set. I absolutely love it. I had to get it. It was a purchase. It was a big purchase. But you know, I just had to have it. I had to have it. I love playing the drum set. Yeah, one time I went to Guitar Center and I was playing the drums for so long that they actually had to politely kick me out because they said, I'm sorry, there's people trying to take private lessons next door, so we gotta ask you to leave. So then I thought, all right, I just gotta get my own drum set. Hence, my drum set. I love it. It's an Alesis Command Mesh. So yeah, this is where I, you know, answer emails, film videos, and, you know, do everything else with my day. I'm pretty much here all day long. So, but anyways, thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it. And if you guys want to see a more like step-by-step process and how I film like a beatboxing or voiceover video, just let me know. But I thought I'd give you a little tour of my room. So yeah, thanks again for watching, and I hope you subscribe and stick around for the next video. Thank you so much. Bye.